Let's begin. Inhale your hands out to the side, up and over. Bring the palms together and bring the hands to heart center. Release the left hand open, right hand in a loose fist to greet it. And set the intention to fill your body with flexibility, courage, and love. Bring your hands to your hips. Relax the shoulders down, lengthen up, and we'll do some of the 18 essential daily movements. Inhale. Exhale, turn your head to the left. 1. Inhale, back to center. 2. Exhale, turn the head to the right. Really look behind you for 3. Inhale, back to center. 4. Exhale and lift the chin for 5. Inhale, back to center. 6. Exhale, tuck the chin and look down. 7. Inhale, center for 8. Arm circles. Bring the hands in front of you, overlapping one on top of the other. Inhale, lift the arms up, gaze up. 1. Exhale, float the hands down, look at your left fingers for 2. The hands come back through center as you inhale, gazing up for 3. Exhale, float the fingers down, gazing at the right fingers for 4. Overlap the hands, come through center again, lifting up, gaze up. Inhale for 5. Exhale, float the hands down, gazing at the left fingertips for 6. Bring the hands through center. Inhale, float up, gaze up. 7. Exhale, gaze at your right fingertips as they float down for 8. Spreading the wings. Bring your hands down to your side. In a long inhale or a gentle breath, you're going to inhale, squeeze, press the shoulder blades together, bring the elbows behind you, bring the elbows up in front for 1. Lift the fingertips up and exhale down through center for 2. This time, bring the elbows back as you squeeze the shoulder blades, gaze to your right as you're inhaling, coming up for 3. Raise the fingertips, exhale and lower 4. Squeezing back, gazing to the left as you inhale up for 5. Exhale down for 6. Bring the shoulder blades back, elbows back, inhaling the whole time up for 7. Raise the fingertips, float the hands down for 8. Side bends. Bring your left hand to your lower back, and the right hand comes up and over and touches just at the top of the spine. Feet can be hip width or wider apart. Slight bend in the knees, a little bit more weight in the heel. Inhale, lift up, really elongate. Exhale, fold to the left, bend to the left for 1. Inhale, back to center and change your arms. 2. Exhale, folding, bending to the right. right, gazing in front of your right toes. 3. Nice long inhale back to center as you change your arms. 4. Exhale, bend to the left, gazing down at the floor again. 5. Inhale, center, switch your arms for 6. Inhale, lift up again. Take a moment and inhale. Sorry, exhale, bending to the right. 7. Inhale back to center and release your hands for 8. Double hands reaching down. If you are able and have the balance, bring your feet together. If you're feeling wobbly, you can keep your feet apart. Interlace your fingers in front of you. Inhale, drawing your hands up. Keep inhaling as you lift them up overhead for 1. Exhale, fold forward and hang heavy for 2. Inhale, bring your hands up, the inside of your legs for 3. Exhale and settle for 4. Interlace the fingers and bring them up again, all the way up for 5. Exhale, bend at the hips and fold forward for 6. Inhale, draw your fingers up the inside of your legs for 7. Exhale and settle for 8. Step the feet wider than hip width apart and bring the hands into loose fists. We're going to go ahead and do lunging forward in bow pose. Bring your right toes in, your left toes out, and turn your hips to the left. Reach forward with your right hand and bend into that front leg, keeping the body up straight. 1. Breathe gently. Curl the fingers. Come back to center. Bring everything back to center. 2. Left toes in, right toes out, turning your hips, bending and reaching. 3. Nice gentle breath. Curl the fingers, come to center with your feet and body. 4. Right toes in, left toes out. Beautiful lunge. Bring the hand up. 5. Curl the fingers, coming back to center. 6. Left toes in, right toes out. Lunge forward. Hips are turned, arm goes up. 7. Curl the fingers, come back to center. Step back to hip width. 8. We'll do one more warm-up posture and then we'll get into the heart opener. Love to do a balancing posture at transitions, especially to think about balance. And in the year of the water tiger, you're going to really need balance. It's going to be like drinking from a fire hose of opportunity. And you need to just take it in a little at a time. Begin by bringing the feet together. Step forward with the left foot as the hands come up overhead, shifting your weight to that front foot. 1. Lower the hands and raise the right knee as you gaze into the distance or at a point on the floor to balance for 2. Raise the hands up, step back for 3. Step all the way back, side by side for 4. Bring the right foot forward as the hands come overhead. Back heel raises for 5. Lower the arms, raise the left leg, gazing into the distance for 6. Bring the arms overhead and step the left foot back for 7. Bring the feet side by side for 8. On the second series that we go through this, you can raise your knee higher if you want, but you don't have to. Let's begin by stepping forward with the left foot again. The arms come up for 1. Raise the right knee. Bring it higher if you want. Just gently have your hands there. 2. Arms come up. You step the right foot back for 3. Bring the arms down, feet side by side for 4. Step forward with the right foot, bringing the hands overhead for 5. Raise the left knee and bring it up higher if you wish for 6. Hands come up, left foot steps back for 7. Feet side by side, hands down for 8. Let's do a natural respiration just to transition. Inhale the arms out and up to the side. Exhaling down through center. So focus on your heart energy for a moment before we get in. The heart sends energy 360 degrees in arcs around you. This is really important for tree communication, but it's also important for you to realize the vast expansion of your heart energy. It communicates so much to the world about you. And at this Chinese New Year, we want your heart enlivened and giving and loving, because what you give will come back to you as well. Inhale your hands out to the side, up and over. Exhale as you float them down through center, bend your knees. Inhale the hands back to chest height. Bring them out in front of you, down and around, and exhale, sinking again. Inhale the hands, fingertips are up, palms are facing out, back to chest height. Exhale, let the hands come back down, the knees sink down, and the hands come out. Inhaling up. Exhaling, floating down through center again. Inhale the hands to chest height, where you make a diamond shape. Exhale, pressing out with your hands and lower down. We'll repeat that sequence a couple of more times, 3 more times. Inhale up. Exhale down through center as you bend your knees. Inhale, float the hands back up to chest height. Exhale as they come out and around and down with the knees as well. Inhale, lift the fingertips back up to the heart. Exhale, float them down, out, and around as you inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale the hands to heart center, make a diamond shape. Exhale, float them out and down. We're actually going to do 1 more, so we have 3 total. Inhale the hands up. Exhale, float them through center as you bend your knees, opening and calming your heart. Inhale the hands to heart height. Exhale them out and down and around. Inhale the fingertips up, giving you a kind heart, a gentle heart. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale, float your hands down through center. Inhale them into a diamond shape at heart height. Exhale out, keeping the knees straight this time as you float the hands down. Inhale the hands out and up. Exhale, pull them down through center. Step the feet together. We'll do another natural respiration. Inhale the hands up. Exhale down. Now we're going to store all that energy in our lower dantian, behind and below the navel. Close your eyes. Just rock and sway. Feel the energy moving through you. Your heart is awake, calm, and kind. Release your hands.